So, the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE has been fully revealed through recent leaks, showcasing official-looking images and detailed specifications. The name of the watch had been a subject of controversy, with some sources referring to it as the Watch FE, while others suggested it might be named the Galaxy Watch4 2024. This debate has now been settled, as the Bluetooth SIG certification confirms the name to be Galaxy Watch FE. Despite this resolution, the watch is essentially a rebranded Galaxy Watch 4, as indicated by the leaked specifications. Samsung, however, has chosen not to prominently advertise this fact. The name was one of the last remaining pieces of the Watch FE puzzle, with the other being its price. A tipster on X revealed that the Watch FE will be priced at €199 in the Eurozone. This price might translate to around $199 in the US, although it could be slightly lower, based on typical market price conversions. The 40mm variant of the Watch FE will feature a 1.2 inches Super AMOLED display, a 247 mAh battery, 1.5 GB of RAM, and 16 GB of internal storage. It will support magnetic wireless charging, have 50 meters water resistance, an aluminum body, and carry IP68 certifications. Powered by the Exynos W920 SoC, it will run on Wear OS with Samsung's One UI Watch 5.0, despite the recent announcement of the newer 6.0 version. The Watch FE will come equipped with an array of sensors, including an accelerometer, barometer, bioelectrical impedance analysis, electrical cardiac sensor, gyroscope, geomagnetic sensor, brightness sensor, and an optical heart rate monitor. The Galaxy Watch FE is rumored to be a re-release of the Galaxy Watch 4 from 2021, and the specifications seem to confirm this. It is positioned as an entry-level option within Samsung's wearable lineup. The official price remains a mystery, but is expected to be revealed on July 10th during Samsung's next Unpacked event. This event will also likely feature the introduction of the Galaxy Watch 7 series, the Galaxy Watch Ultra, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and the Galaxy Z Flip 6. In summary, the Galaxy Watch FE, essentially a rebranded Galaxy Watch 4, has been confirmed through various leaks and certifications. The watch will feature a 1.2 inches Super AMOLED display, a 247 mAh battery, 1.5 GB of RAM, and 16 GB of internal storage. It will support magnetic wireless charging, have 50 meters water resistance, and carry IP68 certifications. The Galaxy Watch FE is expected to be officially announced on July 10th at Samsung's Unpacked event, alongside other new products. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Galaxy Watch FE? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.